Look at your bank account right now. Seriously, scroll back 3 months. See that money? It's gone. And I'm willing to bet you cannot tell me where half of it went. You didn't buy a car. You didn't go to Bali. You just lived. And that right there is the problem. Today, I'm going to show you the 10 silent leaks draining your account dry, and most of them happened before 10 a.m. Before we get started, I need you to understand something. Habit number 7 on this list cost me over $4,000 last year alone, and I didn't even know I was doing it. By the end of this video, you're going to see exactly where your money is actually going. And trust me, you are not going to like number 3. But here's the twist. Fixing it doesn't mean giving up coffee. My name is Thomas, and I spend way too much time thinking about the 10 daily habits that are slowly draining your bank account. If you're someone who looks at your balance at the end of the month and thinks, where did it all go? Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, because I'm not here to tell you to stop having fun. I'm here to show you the invisible tax you're paying for convenience, comfort, and zero awareness. Let's start with the biggest lie we tell ourselves. It's just a little treat. You're tired. You worked hard. You deserve that $4.50 latte or that $12 lunch instead of the leftovers in the fridge. It feels responsible because it's small. It feels right because it's rewarding. But here's where the trap snaps shut. Let's say you buy lunch for $15 instead of bringing a $4 sandwich. That's an $11 difference. Do that 200 days a year. That's $2,200. That's not a vacation. That's a car repair. That's a credit card payment. But we don't see it because we pay with Apple Pay and never feel the paper leave our hands. Here's where it gets expensive. Habit number 1, the subscription black hole. Go look at your bank statement. I'll wait. You have a gym membership you don't use, $40 per MO. A streaming service you forgot to cancel after The Last of Us ended, $15 per MO. An app for meditation you used twice, $10 per MO. A cloud storage plan you don't need, $10 per MO. Add that up, $75 a month, $900 a year. That's a new laptop. But because it's automated, your brain stops seeing it as an expense. It becomes invisible. Habit number 2, the bank fee scam. You're keeping your money in a big bank that charges you $12 a month just for the privilege of holding your money. That's $144 a year for literally nothing. Meanwhile, online banks pay you interest. Habit number 3, the convenience tax on groceries. You walk into the grocery store hungry without a list. You buy the pre-cut fruit, 300% markup. You buy the single-serving yogurt packs. You buy the name brand cereal. This is where it gets dangerous. The average family spends an extra $150 a month just on convenience at the grocery store. Over 10 years, invested in the S&P 500, that's over $30,000. You are literally eating your retirement. You might be thinking, Thomas, it's just a few dollars. I need to live a little. And you're right. But here's the psychology you're missing. It's called pain of paying. When you used to hand over a $20 bill, it hurt. Your brain felt the loss. Today, you tap your phone. There's zero friction, zero pain. Habit number 4, digital autopilot. Because you don't feel the money leave, you spend 18% more than you would with cash. Always. That $4 coffee feels like $0 until the credit card bill arrives. Habit number 5, the latte factor trap. Financial gurus talk about this, but they get it wrong. They say stop buying coffee, but you won't. So instead, let's look at frequency. Are you buying a coffee and a breakfast sandwich and a bottled water? That $12 morning habit, 5 days a week, is $3,120 a year. That's not a coffee. That's a down payment on a car. Here's what most people don't realize. It's not the spending that kills you. It's the lack of awareness. Habit number 6, utility bill neglect. You have had the same internet plan for 4 years. You are paying $89. A new customer pays $49. You are literally paying a loyalty tax. A 15-minute phone call could save you $480 a year. But you don't do it because the bill is on autopay. Habit number 7, the bank interest paradox. This is the one that got me. You have $3,000 in your checking account earning 0.01% interest. Inflation is 3%. You are losing 3% of your purchasing power every single year. That means your $3,000 is actually worth $2,910 in real money right now. You are paying a lazy tax of $90 a year just for leaving it in the wrong place. Move it to a high-yield savings account. Suddenly you earn $135 a year instead of losing money. Habit number 8. On sale illusion. You see a shirt for $50, originally $100. You save $50. No, you spent $50 you weren't going to spend. You didn't save money. You lost $50. Retailers know this. They manufacture urgency. And you fall for it because your brain loves a deal more than it loves logic. Alright, stop bleeding. Here is the 10-minute fix you can do today. Habit number 9, the impulse wait. You see something you want online. Do not buy it. Screenshot it. Wait 48 hours. I promise you, 80% of the time, you will forget you wanted it. The other 20%, you actually need it. This single habit saved me $600 last year. The fix for subscriptions. Habit number 1, go to your bank app. Search the word subscription or recurring. Cancel everything you haven't used in 30 days. Right now, pause the video. Do it. The fix for groceries. Habit number 3, shop the perimeter of the store. That's where the real food is. The middle aisles are where the processed, high markup junk lives. And never shop hungry. Habit number 10, the no-spend morning. Here's the challenge. For the next 7 days, do not spend any money before 12 p.m. No coffee, no gas station snacks, no app purchases, nothing. You will realize how often you buy things just out of boredom or habit. You will reclaim your morning and your wallet. Look, I'm not telling you to live like a monk. I'm telling you to stop accidentally being broke. You are working too hard to let $5 and $10 leaks sink your ship. These 10 habits aren't villains. They're just defaults. And defaults can be changed. Here's your action step for today. Pick one habit. Just one. The subscription audit. The 48-hour wait rule. The no-spend morning. Do it right now. Pause this video. Open your banking app. Cancel one thing. One action today saves you hundreds this year. If this video saved you at least $100, hit that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to someone else who is bleeding cash. And subscribe if you want to stop being average with your money. My name is Thomas. Stop leaking. I'll see you in the next one.